not coming back. When it come to poppin' my shit, bitch, I was made for that.